Hi, and welcome to a video on the equation of ellipse in transformational form, part 1. In a circle, the horizontal stretch equals the vertical stretch, which is the radius of the circle. When the horizontal stretch is not equal to the vertical stretch, an ellipse is formed. The shape of the ellipse is oval. So the shape could be oval like this, going horizontal, or it could be oval going vertical. If the horizontal stretch is greater than the vertical stretch, then it will be long like this. The major axis is horizontal. Major axis is the longer axis. And the minor axis, which is the shorter one, will be vertical. So if you went like that, that would be longer, and this would be shorter. If the vertical stretch is greater than the horizontal stretch, then the ellipse will be like this. So the major axis is this one, which is the vertical. And the minor axis is the horizontal. So the major axis is the longer axis. The minor axis in the ellipse is the shorter one. For each, which is the major axis and the minor axis. So the horizontal stretch is 7, the vertical stretch is 2. So the major axis is the horizontal. And horizontal axis. The minor axis is the vertical. If the horizontal stretch is 3 and the vertical stretch is 5, the vertical stretch is greater. So the major axis is the vertical, because it's the longer length. And the minor axis is the horizontal. So a half and 5/6, so we convert the two of them to the same denominator. So 1/2 is 3/6 multiplied by 3/3. So 5/6 is more than 3/6 or a half. So the major axis again is vertical because bigger number. And the horizontal axis is the minor. This is shorter. And again, we have a horizontal stretch is 9, the vertical stretch is 6. The longer one is horizontal. So the major axis is horizontal. And the minor is the vertical. Just explaining what an ellipse is, just taking my time and making sure you understand. Now, the center of the ellipse that we're going to deal with is at the beginning is the 0, 0. So we're going to draw this ellipse. If we have a center of 0, 0, which is right here, then the horizontal stretch is 4. That means if the horizontal stretch is 4, so we have 4 right. From 0, 0, we go 4 right, and we go 4 left to there. So the horizontal stretch is similar to a radius of a circle. Think of it that way. The vertical stretch is 2 from 0, 0, so we go 2 up and 2 down. So you think of it going through those points. There it is there. There's the ellipse. Again, the horizontal stretch is from the center, distance from the center out to the point. And B, the horizontal stretch is 3, the vertical stretch is 5, and the center is 0, 0. So 0, 0, so the horizontal stretch is 3, 3 to the right, 3 to the left from 0, 0, 5 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, right to there, and 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we draw this one, And again, I just taking just a rough sketch of the picture. And there's the ellipse. So notice the horizontal stretch here. Notice the length of the axis is 8. The horizontal stretch is 4 right, 4 left, so it's 8 altogether. So this is the major axis because the horizontal stretch is bigger than the vertical stretch. So the length of this axis is 4 plus 4 is 8, and this one is 2 plus 2 is 4. So notice the length is double the stretch. For each state up here, so we have each of the above. A, the major axis is the horizontal, and the length is 2 times 4, which is 8. And the minor axis, if the major is horizontal, the minor has to be the vertical axis, and the length is 2 times 2, which is 4. So the length is double the stretch. And in this one, the major axis is the vertical, and the stretch is 2 times 5, so the length is 10. From there to there is 10 if you count all the units. And so if the major axis is vertical, the minor axis has to be horizontal. And the length is 2 times 3, which is 6. Again, the length of the major and the minor is double the stretch. Draw each ellipse. The center is 0, 0. Here we go. Center is 0, 0. The major axis is vertical with a length of 6. So if the length is 6, so 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. So that means the vertical stretch is 3. And if the minor axis has a length of 2, then 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, I said the vertical stretch. That's the vertical stretch of 3, because the vertical axis. So the minor axis, so if the major is the vertical, then the minor must be the horizontal, so the horizontal stretch is 1. So we'll do a vertical stretch of 3 from the center, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, right to there. 1, 2, 3 down. The horizontal stretch is 1, so it's 1 right, 1 left. So there it is, right there. So you can see 1 right, 1 left, the length is 2. That's the minor. And this is 3 here and 3 here, 6 altogether. And B, the major axis has a length of 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So horizontal axis. So the horizontal stretch is 5. The length is 4. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the vertical stretch, if the major is the horizontal and the minor must be the vertical. That should make sense. So the vertical stretch is 2. If the vertical is the major, then the minor should be the horizontal. Just put that in there. I said it, but I didn't write it in. So the center is 0, 0 right here. So the horizontal stretch is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out this way. And 5 left, right to here. And the vertical stretch is 2, so it's from 0, 0, 2 up, and 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. And notice the length of the vertical is 4, and this length here is 10. So this is the ellipse. So you can see the center is 0, 0. The horizontal stretch is 5 right, 5 left, 10 in total. And 2 up, 2 down, vertical stretch is 2. So that brings us to the end of this video. And if you like my video, click the like button. If you're not a subscriber, click the subscribe button. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. Notice one word to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video was of some help to you. Bye-bye.